Hey there, Roger Burnley here. And I've been a vocal coach for more than 25 years, and I've run into so many situations where a lot of my clients need to warm up very quickly for whatever reason. I've been in that situation myself. So, what I'm going to do is give you an exercise that you can kind of cheat with a little bit to get a really quick warm up in before you have to sing. A lot of times, you may be rushing, you don't have time to do it at home before you get there, or you may be called on to sing at an event or something where you do not have time to warm up. You can go into a restroom and do this one because you don't need much sound either. But what we'll start to do is get you warmed up, and it'll start to open you up and getting your voice more present, as I call it. Now, what you're going to do is use your thumbs under your jaw here so you can feel that these swallowing muscles don't come down, because when they're coming down, they're going to block you. When you go to sing, you're going to feel that your voice is not coming out the way that you would like it. So what you're going to do is you can do this very quietly as well. If you're in a situation where you can't really make a lot of noise, but it will get you warmed up. So I'm going to do the exercise here to give you the idea. But what you're trying to do is go as high as you can on this one without feeling these muscles come down. And you may just go over it and over it. And again, you can do this even without music if you're by yourself. Okay, let me just show you. I'm really exaggerating here. What's happening is my chords are waking up, they're coming together. Now, as you're doing this, as you go higher, if you start to feel these muscles fighting, you stop. Don't keep going. Go back to the beginning, or just keep going over the parts where you felt completely relaxed here. And what's going to happen when you're done, you will feel instantly that your voice is much more present, as I call it, and you'll be able to sing very quickly. All right, practice that one.